Hello, everyone. It's a pleasure to welcome you all for today's webinar again. So, what's up? I hope everyone is doing well. Also, I'll be the host of today's webinar since Ujjwala Mathur, she's under the weather today. Most of you have dreamt of transforming your passion into a career since your childhood days. Must be having a mindset of what you exactly want to become in life, right? Definitely, yes. But today we will tell you everything about building a successful career in the field of Salesforce. So, if you're someone who is looking to build a very successful career in Salesforce, you shouldn't miss this webinar. I really hope this webinar will help you a lot in learning about Salesforce as the field of Salesforce is quite huge. The era is evolving, and so are the learning platforms, career choices, and professional preferences, which are advancing rapidly due to the latest technological evolution. And in addition, this transformation highlighted multiple occupations, and among them all, Salesforce is developing tremendously. So I see that many of you have joined the webinar already, and now we should begin with today's session. So let's get started. I am Parihar Shiv, the host of today's webinar instead of Ujjwala, and I will reveal the ins and outs of this lucrative career in Salesforce. Recently, multiple programs, languages, platforms, and applications have boomed in the past few years due to the technological development. And Salesforce, is one such cloud based platform that has gained a huge popularity and proved to ease the work of developers. This continuous progress of the Salesforce platform is attracting many people and making them switch their careers to Salesforce, especially in 2023. At present, the Salesforce industry is so profitable and productive that people consider it one of the most powerful and reliable CRM platforms in the market. As a result, this software allows individuals to work on multiple projects such as CRMs, online stores, and web applications. And therefore, this multiple tasking of Salesforce impressed many, even the non technical people, including myself. Yes, you heard it right. I was from a completely non technical background and had already pre planned my career before. But as time passed, Salesforce's multitasking, various features, and excellent solutions attracted my attention. In the beginning, I was also scared and doubted my decision, as I heard it was the most challenging career choice. But as soon as I got into the process of learning and thought it to be the best decision of my life. Believe me, guys, I never faced any difficulty in learning. And additionally, I realized that you do what you like and don't go by the sayings. Now I excel in Salesforce and hosting a webinar on Salesforce career guidance. So in the next slide, I'll discuss the perks and benefits, job security, important profiles, and more about Salesforce. Salesforce is an excellent resource for both the customer as well as the developers. Additionally, people prefer it to grow their businesses. Hence, the Salesforce economy is booming like anything. So, if I talk about the facts from 2019 to 2024, International Data Corporation is expecting at least 4.2 million new Salesforce jobs due to its high popularity in the world. Moreover, the best thing about Salesforce is that whether you are from a non technical background, you don't have to be familiar with the programming languages to start a career in Salesforce itself. Everyone wants to stand out from others, and this developed a market full of competitors. Unlike others, a million job options are available in the Salesforce ecosystem as a whole. As there is an increase in the demand of Salesforce development companies, the need for Salesforce professionals has also increased a lot. Therefore, this cloud based software helps clients or customers to build and grow at a very faster pace. Job opportunities are going to be plenty, and you have to take advantage and grab the right chance. We all are very much aware of the fact that there's a huge competition out there in the market, and as a result, people do not get the pay that they expect from their current job profiles. Therefore, this is one of the primary reasons many people are unhappy and unsatisfied about their current jobs. Hence, they look for switching their professional profile. I may be wrong about a few, but I hope most of you will agree with my statement, right? In these scenarios, when you're unhappy with your job, IT sector can do wonders and can help you immensely. So it's not your job to be stressed, as I'm here to help you and will focus on the skills you require to master as a professional, even if you don't have any experience in the tech industry. Let's discuss more upon the skills required for Salesforce. No prior experience in CRM or database management, no worries, as you need to enhance your analytical, communication, problem solving, etc. to become a Salesforce admin. And it would be best to start with the basics as a beginner. Later, you can work on developing your other skills such as Apex, Java, CSS, JavaScript, and the list goes on. Even if you want to enhance your current developer skills, this profession of Salesforce will always be in high demand. Slowly and gradually, learn to code, practice a lot, as practice makes a person perfect. In addition, you must know where and how to use your coding skills as it in addition, you must know where and how to use your coding skills as it can become your strength. Develop in-depth organization knowledge, problem-solving skills, large-scale thinking skills, etc. And these skills can help you identify technical problems and solve them effortlessly. You need to develop the skills as a beginner and move on to the advanced skills to become a professional Salesforce developer. And it also depends on someone's willingness to learn and earn a good amount of money, which you can experience in the IT sector most of the time. Furthermore, in our next slide, I will discuss some essential points you must consider to build a robust, lucrative, and future proof career. So let's begin. Salesforce, a career for beginners. If you are looking for that one opportunity to build a fruitful career in Salesforce, then my friends, you are at the right place. The demand for Salesforce professionals and the need for Salesforce skills is huge. Salesforce provides you with the two best career variables, that is Salesforce administrator and Salesforce developer. So it's an excellent opportunity for technical and non-technical people to shape a beautiful career in Salesforce. As I also did mention previously, if you do not have any prior knowledge and experience, this cannot create any issues for you to become a Salesforce administrator. If you do not know how to code or coding is not your interest, then Salesforce admin is the right career path for you. As an admin, you need to understand and define system requirements as well as customize the platform by working with the stakeholders. Salesforce admins are generally people who are responsible for enabling their customers to, get the most out of the Salesforce technology. People who think that coding is their passion can choose to become Salesforce developer as their profession. But to develop this as a career, you need to have a good knowledge of programming languages such as Java, Python, Apex, and more. Now, for better clarity, I would like to shed light on the skills you require to accomplish as a Salesforce developer. So let's look onto them. Salesforce developers commonly use two types of languages the most, which are Apex and JavaScript. So it would be supportive if you have an in-depth understanding of these languages. Basic and advanced logic must be implemented for loops, classes, methods, double OPs, concepts, and more. One must learn to work with larger data sets and discover Salesforce declarative features to achieve the desired results. You should learn and master Lightning Web Components, the basic concept of security and sharing of Salesforce. As a beginner, one also must have knowledge of any one language like C Sharp or Java and know simple SQL queries. And here at Learnox, we have resourceful industry experts who can transform your career path and allow you to grow as well as master in your particular field of technology. Therefore, there is no such out of the box technique or formula to restart your career in Salesforce. It depends on your willingness to learn. If I talk from my experiences, I believe it is possible if you have the passion for achieving what you want. In addition, Salesforce is not at all challenging. It is manageable for people who are passionate about this application and wish to pursue this as the career. If you're still in doubts, then Learnox is the answer for all your queries. This platform is structured to provide you with the proper training for hard work and soft skills. Here you can explore your ideas and techniques with proper guidance from our industry experts. You can accomplish your goals with Learnox and get clarity for your career choices without any barriers. Please fill out the form that is being linked in the comment section below. Do not forget to list down all your queries, all your doubts, so that our counselor team can get back to you and solve your problems. Moreover, they will support you in connecting you with the top industry experts. We are available on all social media platforms, and you can DM us or call us for any information anytime. I hope that this educational information was helpful and informative for all of you. And I once again thank you all for joining this webinar.